I'm going to show you a little propagation trick. This is a native strawberry, and you can see it's making runners. And if you were in the nursery, I just think this is hilarious and I wanted to show you. So you lay your little strawberry out like this, and you have all these little pots next to it, and you just figure out where the pups are going and start laying them in. So you make this little connect the dots thing going on. That one there's, help, I can't make it. I might be able to do that. Stick it next to it and then put a little more dirt on that one. There we go. And you just kind of go along and stick each one in and make a big octopus of little runners. And after just a week or two, they've kind of rooted in. I let them go a little longer. I figure they can stay attached to their mama for a good bit, but you just take that mother plant in the middle and stick all these babies in. We've had our first freeze of the year, so it's time to come into the greenhouse and get some stuff done. And I had these little strawberries that I wanted to propagate out for the nursery in the spring. And so I was looking at it and I thought, well, I'll just show you really quickly how we do it because it's pretty funny. And then I'll show you some that we already did. All right, there we go. So that little one is the last little bit. You don't want to really bury them. You just kind of want to let them touch the ground. So these I did just this last, let's see, probably 2 weeks ago. And you can see they're nicely, firmly rooted in. They came from this mama right here. All these are well rooted. You just keep them watered and give them a little bit of time. But these will be filled out and big like these in a really short period of time. But it just looks kind of funny. All the little wires running from one to one. I thought it was kind of amusing. So that's it. That's the entire video for today. Just my little running trick. And this is not original to me. It was a nursery owner. I wish I could remember who you were. It's a native plant nursery in North Florida. And I was talking to them. I met them at the Palafox Market, and they talked about running them from pot to pot. And I said, well, that makes sense. Instead of cutting them off and sticking them and hope they do well, just make a little spider web. So that's the little spider web. And if it's your nursery and you are the one that shared that with me a couple of years ago, drop a comment. I will give you credit. Thank you all. God bless. Catch you next time. Come and see me at Atmore Farm and Garden. And until then, may your thumbs always be green.